family. Palakpakan naman po natin sila, guys. And now, maraming salamat. I'm your host for tonight. I'm MC. And together with our suppliers sa mamaya sa libre yun. And now, hindi ko na papatagalin pa. Let's give it up. All of you are here tonight. Watch her grown over the years into the wonderful person she is now. As a jump start, let us all welcome and acknowledge the ever-supportive family member of our Dabitan. Let's start with Miss Arjen and Daddy Tio Aramin. Mas malakas! May kasamang ilawan! Bakit ito mo? Come here! And of course, hindi naman talaga mawawala ang isa sa pinakagwapong kuya. Talaga naman. Diba? Guys, ito ha, ang hindi papalakpat at nagsisigaw. Sisigaw, uuwi na po. Please all welcome, let's give it up on the floor, Mr. Mark Austin! Sir Mark. Okay, so maraming salamat for having us here. And of course, none other than one of the brothers dito, Poging brother dito. Let's welcome Mr. Miguel. Of course, ayan. So ayan, umiinit na ang ating gabi. Papainitin pa tayo. Ang nag-iisang one of the beautiful sister, none other than Miss Alicia. Para ba naman si Miss Alicia? Yes. All right, so we're about to end the brothers. Ayan naman, tawagin natin ang isa sa pinakagwapong brother ng Dabitan kung walang iba. Alam ko gwapo ka. Please welcome Mr. Marlon. Of course, ito isa sa pinakamabait at pinakamabait, yun, pinakamaraming cheeks na kapatid ng Dabitan. Please welcome Mr. Marcy.